Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can unblock games on school Chromebook. So basically I will be telling you different methods to unblock games on a school Chromebook. So first of all, let's see the method 1, and for that search for Miniclip or any other gaming website, and after that, instead of clicking on that website, click on the three dots on the side of this website, or maybe you will be able to see this option of cached without even clicking on the three dots. So the thing is, we need to click on this option of cached. Just click on it, and then you will be able to open the website. Now let's move on with our another method. So in the next method, I will be providing you a link in the description box. So all you need to do is just copy this link and paste it in the browser. It will open up the drive for you. All you have to do is just download this game and extract it on your Chromebook and play it. And this is the second method. You can just download games or send games from another device and unzip them on your Chromebook and play them. So this was the second method. And the third method is how you can unblock games like Roblox on your Chromebook. So for that, you need to open up your browser and search for Google Web Store. And after that, just click on the first link that you will see. Basically, we are trying to add an extension, and in the search bar, search for read and make sure that you are typing in this symbol instead of writing and. So this is what you need to write. It is read and write, and you need to choose this option of read and write for Google and just click on it. After that, you will find this purple colored extension and just click on it. Then click on add to Chrome, and now click on add extension. Wait for a while and it will be added as your extension. Then just go to your extensions and pin it. After that, open up a new tab, and then you need to paste a link in your search bar. I will be providing this link in the description. Just copy this link and paste it in the search bar. Just click enter, and this is how it will open up. Let it load. After that, don't click on next or try to sign in. Rather, click on sign in options, and then you need to click on sign in with GitHub. After that, you don't have to fill in any details. Just click on this icon of GitHub on the top. And when this window opens up, you need to hover your cursor around open source and you will be able to see this list. Then just click on topics. And here you need to scroll down to the very end. Then click on load more. Again, scroll down to the very end. Click on load more. Scroll down a little bit, not more, and you will find this option of Google. Just click on it. And all you have to do is just click on this website of or the link of www.google.com on your right hand, and this is how it will open up. Just search for Roblox here and enjoy the game. And that was it from my side today. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.